everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm the mother of all butterflies. I'm kidding. My name is Vanessa. So today's video, I wanted to do something really fun. I went out and I saw these stickers and I just felt so inspired by them, and Mother Nature is trying to fight me right now. You hear her? Anyways, yeah, so I went out and I saw these stickers and I felt really inspired because I really like butterflies. So I came up with this eye look and I just put stickers all over my face and neck. Yay. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching. You guys, I'm so excited for today's video. I have this idea in my head. I really hope that I can execute it properly. We'll see. I mean, you guys saw my intro. Apparently I did something. We're gonna see what it is I'm gonna do. So, but I do want to mention a couple of things before we start. My brother does have a YouTube channel, so if you guys are into like comics and superheroes and stuff like that, be sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. It's linked down below. And also, I recently got a TikTok. I know, I swore I'd never get one, but that app is so funny, like I can't even. My TikTok is also linked down below. Vanessa Nicole makeup, and I post very short tutorials on there. Maybe someday I'll post something funny. I don't know. I'm not as creative as all these other people on TikTok, but I just wanted to let you guys know. So yeah, let's get started. Going into the Morphe X James Charles palette, I cannot believe he's charging $500 for people to meet him, and infants have to pay too. Like, sis, you and your ugly ass baby gotta pay. Like, damn. But I'm gonna mind my own business. Anyways, I'm gonna go into this green and I'm gonna use it as my transition shade. It's raining pretty loud. I do apologize if you guys can hear that. However, it's such a soothing sound because I woke up in such a gloomy mood, so hopefully it relaxes me. I might just take that bag. Y'all hearing this? Mother Nature ain't playing today. I feel like I'm on the set of a horror movie. Do you guys hear the church bells in the distance? Now I'm going to mix this dark green with this black. So now we're gonna cut the crease. So they're not perfect, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go into this blue right here and I'm gonna apply that where we cut the crease. They're a little different, but it's okay. So where we cut the crease, I'm gonna go in with this MAC holographic glitter. It's called gold hologram. I don't know what I was about to say. So I did do my lashes off camera. Now I'm gonna go into foundation, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300. Now for concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shade Tape in the shade medium. So I did set my face off camera. Now we're gonna finish the eyes, and I'm going to line my waterline with this black pencil from Urban Decay. So I'm gonna go underneath that and blend it out with the light green we used as a transition shade. So going into the BH Cosmetics Festival palette, I'm gonna go into this green right here, and I'm gonna use it as my transition shade. Girl, we've been past that. As my inner corner highlight. So now I'm gonna bronze, and to bronze I'm gonna use my NYX Cosmetics Medium Matte Bronzer. So for blush, I'm gonna go into the Tarte Pro Glow and Blush palette, and I'm gonna use this blush right here. For highlighter, I'm using the Morphe High Impact Highlighter palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here called Mirage. I don't know why my under eyes look so white on camera. I feel like in person they do not look like that. But I'm gonna line my I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Nutmeg lip liner. So now I'm gonna go in with Literally Gloss by Kylie Cosmetics. So now for the part that I was the most excited about, I'm gonna be applying some of these 3D butterfly stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. This could make or break the entire look. These are so cute. They're holographic in the back. What do you guys say? That's pretty big. I'm thinking this one right here. You know, I'm out here doing the absolute most. Do I need any more? Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I know this is super extra. I just did this for fun. I'm not encouraging you to go out like this, but you know, if you want to go out like this, girl, go ahead. I support you. So if you guys like this little butterfly transformation, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, leave me your video recommendations down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, check out my TikToks, and subscribe to my brother's channel like I said in the beginning. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.